Welcome to the course on banking and insurance. This is a core course in the MBA program. I am your course coordinator, Dr. Deepika Taparia. Now, this course carries 4 credits in your program and is a part of your semester second. The course enshrines the objectives, that is, to gain knowledge about the major functions and types of banks in India. It envisages to provide you an understanding of the banker-customer relationship. Now, when we talk about banker-customer relationship, very often this relationship is that of a transactional base. However, looking at the current scenario, it is very important for the brands, especially banks, to develop a deeper understanding of the customer needs and to ensure that the customers actually stick to them for a lifetime. This is what you will understand through this course. The third objective of the course happens to be to understand the underlying principles of insurance. Now, one of the very important things to understand is the fact that insurance plays a very important role in the lives of customers. And banks are the most appropriate channels for the dispersal of insurance products. Therefore, the name of the course, Banking and Insurance. These principles of insurance will help you understand as to how banking products are interlinked with the domain. The course envisages not only to provide you an overall understanding of the domain of insurance, it will also provide you an understanding of life insurance and the types of life insurance, thereby enabling you to have a deeper understanding of the subject. The course also envisages to develop knowledge on general insurance. Therefore, the course outcomes, which are an extension of outcome-based education, is that after the completion of course, you will be able to gain knowledge about the major functions and types of banks in India. The second course objective is to understand banker-customer relationship. Third outcome of the course will be to understand the underlying principles of insurance. And of course, you will develop a thorough understanding of life insurance, types of life insurance, as well as develop knowledge of the general insurance. The course is imparted through learning management system. Jagan Nath University has ensured that you develop a holistic knowledge about the domain of banking and insurance through 4 quadrants. Now let us understand why these quadrants. quadrants are going to help you in developing a thorough perspective on banking as well as insurance sector. The quadrant 1 comprises of e-tutorials. That includes the introductory video which you are viewing right now, as well as the content videos and audios of each unit of the syllabi. The second quadrant contains self-instructional material, e-books, web resources, research papers, journals, and other reference material. If you really look at the traditional pattern of education, which was only confined to books, Jagan Nath University, through the adoption of the LMS 4 quadrants, ensures that you are able to have a thorough perspective of not only the current trends, but also the research which is already going on in the domain. The research basically and the research papers basically focus on the upcoming fields, upcoming domains in banking and insurance. The third quadrant comprises of the discussion forum, where you would be raising doubts, and raising doubts through whom? Through the teaching assistants as well as to your peer group. As the doubts get clarified in near real-time basis, you are likely to develop a better understanding of the subject. The discussion forums will be held on different emerging issues and will be uploaded time to time, in which you are required to participate. The fourth quadrant relates to assessment, which contains multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and long answer questions. All the assessments have been uploaded unit-wise at the LMS. Now, we will discuss the relevance of this course. Why this course has been introduced in the MBA program and why only semester 2. As is well known, semester 1 and semester 2 give you a overall exposure to different domains of management. Banking and insurance is an important domain in the finance specialization. In this course, you are going to learn about the current regulatory framework, role of RBI, that is our Reserve Bank of India. You're going to learn about the various bills of exchange, getting introduced to insurance products, the socio-economic significance of insurance, as well as the need, functions, development of life insurance in India. You will also gain an understanding about life insurance agents and the procedure by which people can become an agent. The course is not just confined through life insurance. It also gives an exposure to the general insurance, thereby helping you understand the process of settlement of claims, working of general insurance companies, as well as the conditions and the issues in fire insurance policy. The additional pedagogical processes which are going to be basically involved in giving you a holistic learning experience include live classes, assignments, quizzes, FAQs, that is frequently asked questions, clarifications on general misconception. There would be additional activities which are going to be held, which will include master classes, lectures by industry experts and professionals, case studies, etc. The case studies would serve as a turning point in every concept for you, because these case studies have been picked up from real-time ongoing situations in the industry. Thereby, this course thus becomes more practical oriented rather than being theoretical oriented. The textbooks which are recommended for the course include Insurance Principles and Practices by Mishra M.N., Bank Management by Timothy and Scott. Some of these suggested readings include Life Insurance by Gupta O.S., E-Banking by Vasudev, as well as Life Insurance Corporation Act 1956. We hope that through this course, you are able to gain a holistic understanding about the domain of banking and insurance. This would not only help you to ace your finance specializations, but also help you ace the management course.